here's the missing key component. Right there, that's the key component right there. It's a Anthony power beam, and this is what we need to go across the top right underneath my ridge beam. So it's going to support where that 4x6 is, and the 4x6 is going to sit right on top of it. This is a 5.5 inches thick by 24 inches wide or tall, and right now she's 32 foot long, which we're going to have to chop it down a little bit. So get some measurements real quick, figure this out, see what she's going to take to fit. So there you go, folks. She's huge. It's big. That's what she said. Alright, some time lapse of us moving stuff around because we got to get all this crap clear out of the way. There's the lifts that we're going to use to try and pick her up. This is supposed to hold 650 pounds each one. So we'll see if this works. And this is what I have to deal with in the mornings. Alright folks, so today we're putting this big bad boy up atop of there to support the roof. So time lapse of this, I don't know, we'll see. Maybe I'll do some video, give some real time on it. It's going to take a little bit of time because I got to sand. I got to buy a belt sander so I can get these ends a little flatter, and that's pretty much it. So I'm about to stand it up. There's the chunk I cut off. Alrighty. There she is, guys. She's up there. I just need to, I need to fill in over here for the sheets of plywood that need to fill in up over there. There's some pretty crooked boards. You'll see here in a second. But I'll put some blocking in there to get them straight again. Ouch! Twist my ankle. So you can see they're a little bowed, but that's all right. We can make them straight again. Got my foot overhang. There's my line. What's up, Kylo? See if we can zoom in on it.
Hey Dad, look to your right. Or left.
Right there's my mark for my foot overhang. Yeah, I hear.
Look behind you.
I know, I see her. What are you doing? Wall's pretty straight. So, doesn't feel like I did a whole lot today, but we got pretty much half of it up. Half the rafters are in. We finished sheathing up here, so we have the space for the overhang. Obviously, this is going to get cut down. Just leaving them long for adjustments if needed. That one there is going to get shoved over because that 2x10 is a little crooked as well. So a lot of crooked boards I got to fight. Kind of would like to leave that overhang, but I ain't got enough tin roof to do that overhang, because that would definitely make it nice for the rain. But oh well. I'm just gonna do a foot overhang, probably add some gutters later on. I'm beat, so this will be probably a couple day video having it done. And we just gotta trim this little bit of plywood off here, put another piece up in here, and then damn near the whole outside is sheathed. Just that little bit, this little bit, that little bit, and this bit, and that little bit. So just a bunch of little bits. Alrighty guys, well this will probably be just a little interlude in this video. I'll try to remember to have this as day one end, but that beam wasn't too bad. Believe it or not, it was actually pretty easy. Cutting it was the hardest part. We use these AC jacks, or equipment jacks, whatever you want to call them. Two of them, they're able to handle 650 pounds each, so it cranked it up there no problem.
Oh, God.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.